What's up, guys? Back with another render reboot tutorial. I'm going to show you how I created this rendering using Twinmotion. Let's get right into the video. All right, so the first thing that I want to show you is quickly how to create a rendering in Twinmotion. And let's see if we can make some adjustments to our scene and get the results that we're looking for. But first, I just kind of want to point out a couple of things. This is a pendant light that I got out of Sketchfab. I'm going to Sketchfab and hit search. And you can find it here amongst other things. And also we have a couple more assets. We have a Mac computer, we have a chair, and we have a lamp planter here. So don't forget, if you want to change up some things, you can always change the scale of some of your. So let's get right to it. All right. Right now we have our scene set to a default HDRI, and we're going to make some adjustments. I'm going to take one that I have stored in my user library, and we're going to use day environment. We're going to drag that onto our viewport. So it's looking better already. We can keep our intensity at 4. Our rotation is at 90 degrees. So I want to get a little bit more of the trees in the background. And if you haven't noticed, our windows are actually frosted. So that was done purposely. Okay. That's 206. Okay, so in our camera area, I'm gonna make some adjustments here. .25. Okay, for our local exposure, let's enable that. In here, we can make some adjustments to our highlights. Max it out, and it'll actually increase our shadows. So you can definitely adjust these to your liking, and it all just depends on your scene as well. So make adjustments as you see fit. Okay, so here the lens, right now we have 18. Let's get in closer. Let's make that 21. So right now for our vignetting, we had the default, which was 50%. And we can increase that, make it 65. Kind of darken our corners a little bit. Okay, so let's click on film deck. And right now I have it enabled, and we have our preset at 16.9 film. Let's do a super 35. Guys, don't forget to smash that like bell for me, and also like the video. All right, so we have that. All right. So here in our render, we have it set to high, and we can also increase our samples per pixel. Like, max balance is at 10 for this scene. Preset by 30. We will leave the emissive materials checked and the noiser checked, fireflies. Okay. All right, so In our FX, we're going to make some more adjustments to our contrast, our saturation, and we will also increase our clarity and sharpness. For our contrast, let's do 54. Saturation 45. And increase the clarity to kind of help heighten the detail. And if that's too much for you, you can always decrease it. So our sharpest, 10. There are LUTs here. So we have our lookup table, and you have different filters. Is vice 4. So not vice 4. Okay. So that's looking pretty good. Details and it tiled under it. All right, so the rendering looks pretty good, guys. And now I'm going to take it into Crea AI. I'm going to actually add some of our scale figures and just kind of show you the power of Crea. So it's going to be really short. So guys, stick around to the end, and don't forget to smash that like button for me and hit the notification bell. Okay, so now we are in Crea AI, and as you can see here, we have different options like the enhancer, nano banana, real-time edit, and the list goes on. And I've been testing Crea AI just to try to see what can Crea AI do for me in my renderings. And so far, I actually like the features. I like using nano banana here. And I also can switch the models between Nano Banana Pro and Nano 2. And you can upload your image here. You can also do a 1:1 or change it to 9:16. You can change the resolution from 1K to 4K, the max. And here we can do context editor. It kind of gives you a little bit of context and helps Nano Banana to actually be more accurate with your visuals. And here it says, tell Nano Banana what you want to achieve. And I'm just going to copy and paste the information that I've created coming from my actual image, my rendering. So I'll just read a little bit. So photorealistic architectural reception area, modern architecture firm, lobby with tall arch windows, warm morning sunlight, casting long shadows across natural wood flooring, textured plaster walls, minimalist wall, reception desk, soft atmospheric depth, premium interior design, realistic reflections. So you want to be as detailed as possible, and that's what I've done. And I also want to see, now that we have that, we can press done, and let's upload our image. So we're going to upload, select our image here. Also, I want this at a 1:1. Okay, so now that our image is uploaded, it says ask Nano Banana to generate anything or upload the image to edit it. Well, I've already put it in my context, so I believe I'm good. I do want to change my resolution to 4K. So we'll just go ahead and copy and paste that same prompt here. All right, so now I hit generate, and let's see what Nano Banana Pro comes up with. Guys, don't forget to smash that like button for me and hit the notification bell. Also, don't forget to hype the video. Okay, so as you can see, we have our scene here, and I think it came out pretty good. And that is what Krea AI produced using Nana Banana, the model. And guys, I think that we hit another one. So I appreciate your time. Don't forget to smash that like button for me and hit the notification bell. And we'll be back with another one.